you need more inputs or outputs for your recording setup? Whether you're tracking a full drum kit, recording multiple vocalists, or routing mixes to external gear, Optical, or ADAT, is a simple and powerful way to expand your audio interface. In this video, we'll show you how ADAT I/O works and walk through an example setup using iCON's Harrison 32CI audio interface. ADAT, or Alesis Digital Audio Tape, is an optical format that lets you send up to 8 channels of digital audio through a single lightpipe cable. It's supported on many modern audio interfaces, and it's one of the easiest ways to expand your system without needing to buy a whole new rig. To take advantage of ADAT, you'll need an audio interface with ADAT input and/or output, an ADAT expander like the Arturia AudioFuse X8IN used in this example, an optical lightpipe cable, and matching sample rates and correct clock settings. Here's how it works using the 32CI as an example. The 32CI gives you 2 built-in inputs. By connecting the expander via ADAT, you instantly gain 8 additional mic or line inputs, all appearing in your DAW. First, connect the ADAT out on the AudioFuse X8 to the ADAT in on the 32CI. Next, power on both units and set both to the same sample rate. For 8-channel ADAT, this will typically be 44.1 or 48 kHz. Be sure to set the correct clock source. The main ADAT clock source options are internal, where one device acts as the master clock using its own internal clock signal, and ADAT, where a device can be set as a slave, receiving its clock signal from another device via the ADAT connection. To configure the clock source, identify the master device. Typically, the main interface connected to your computer acts as the master. Set the master device to internal. This device will generate the clock signal. Set the slave device or devices to ADAT. These devices will synchronize with the master device's clock received through the ADAT connection. Remember, only one master clock is allowed in a digital audio setup. Clock signals travel in one direction through the ADAT cable. Set the same sample rate on all connected devices for proper synchronization. Some devices might have additional clock options, like word clock, via a BNC connection, which can be used for more reliable synchronization in complex setups. Finally, open your DAW and enable the additional ADAT inputs. This method works with any interface that has an ADAT input, whether it's iCON or otherwise. If your interface has an ADAT out, you can also send audio to external devices like headphone amps, additional D to A converters, or even outboard effects units. If your setup isn't working right away, check these common issues. Make sure both devices are on the same sample rate. Ensure your DAW has ADAT inputs enabled. Set the correct clock source to avoid digital clicks and pops. Remember, ADAT supports 8 channels at 44.1 and 48 kHz sample rates, but only 4 channels at higher rates like 96 kHz. If you're a home studio producer, session musician, or content creator, ADAT gives you affordable and flexible ways to grow your setup as your needs evolve, all with gear you may already have. ADAT makes expansion easy. With just one cable, you're ready to record more tracks or route more mixes. Whether you're using the iCON Harrison 32CI or another compatible setup, the process is the same. To explore more about iCON's ADAT-capable gear and control surfaces, visit iconproaudio.com.